back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Yona Fernandez. Hope you all are doing well. I'm doing absolutely good, and welcome to another new vlog with me. So today is Independence Day. We went to church, attended the mass because today is also feast of Assumption of Mary. Assumption of Mary, and we did have flag hoisting in church, but I didn't capture those clips because I have one more flag hoisting to attend, that is in my brother's school, which is my ex-school. So me and my brother, I and my brother, we just came home, and now again we are leaving. I'll be going to school, he'll be going somewhere else, and after that we have again something more which you guys will know. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel to receive notifications if you haven't subscribed yet, and let's start with today's vlog. We are done with the celebration that was in the school, and we got some good laddus, yummy laddus. Had opened my night fast, not night fast. The first meal or food that I had for today were the laddus. I had 2 laddus, and now we have to go to Urva store because there is some not function here. What is that? Felicitation. I mean, it's the Independence. It's a program, is right, but not function. Sorry. Independence Day program, and my brother will be felicitated over there, Cyrus, for his 12th board exam, and I guess 10th and 12th, all those who have scored distinction will be felicitated. So we are going there, and then we will have our breakfast. It's already late though, but I want my breakfast. Dad will be joining us later because he has a meeting to attend in school, and then he will be there. Chris was in the band today, blowing, what is a trumpet? Oi!
Seriously, are you that dumb?
Then, no, the bugle antallo, trumpet antallo. Trumpet. And then we met his math teacher as well, because
Class teacher.
yeah, his class teacher, and complained. My mom complained, in fact, not me. And Chris was so scared. It was
He
worse.
was not scared.
Yeah,
What, he was scared?
I
He
know.
was laughing there.
Enough. That was the nervous laugh, the anxious laugh. His face was worth watching. You had to see that nervousness, and that smile, and that anxiety.
And I was laughing.
Why would I cry? Why would I cry? I'm nowhere related to anyone over there.
Because you were
But I didn't. What you were? I am mad.
You're shy, Krishna. Just like Shay. Whenever they come, they speak to me and they'll say, oh my god, my pimples are gone. From where you're going, my what?
Anyhow, anywhere he changes the topic.
Huh?
Yeah, that is what Chris does.
I guess so.
Yeah, I am dumb. You are the dumbest. Are you proud of it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
That's why
Very
I
good.
you
What? What? From where to where is he connecting everything? Look at him now. Look at him. Back on phone. Stop using phone.
Why do you care?
What did your teacher just say?
What
What did she tell you?
I have no idea.
Very good. If teacher is watching this vlog, I hope she does. She doesn't. Yeah, but I hope she did. I hope she did. Anyway, let's see who will cry. He's got exams in 2 days, and that's when we will see Chris crying for Kannada. He won't understand in the end. Then we're like, the same reaction goes for math.
तांकां कन्नडाक मार्क्स दिता तशें
Not only Kannada, all the subjects they get
तशें
marks.
ताका मार्क्स मेळ्ळ्यात कन्नडा टिचर म्हणाली न्ही
Once we were done with the program, we went to have our breakfast to a hotel that was on the opposite side. It was just I, my brother, and Chris and mom, because Cyrus had gone to church for some work and he came back to eat along with us, and dad was out for a meeting, and later on all of them joined. We all of us had breakfast and parted ways to their respective work. What are you doing, man?
Bro, auntie.
Not auntie. We are just unboxing the sweets that my brother got. My brother isn't there. It is Kaju Katli, guys. How can someone not love Kaju Katli? Look at that. Kaju Katli over here. Unboxed by one and only the one who is very restless to eat it up. Where's Callie?
Cruise of the Sunanta.
Callie! Wait, तांचे दुसरे गेम जावन येता. तुका नाका म्हणे काय नाका कित्याक आतां येता?
कोण म्हणले
अडे अडे कितले सोबीत काले नाही तुमचे काले काले तुमचे नाही आईसा बस ईट गू बाहेर ना I want अळायले
You want
नाका घाल नाका मा
jump
आयलो निकला निकला निकला
jump करे
जंप
इधर cruise there
दी जाता दी कावना जेवली बाई डडाक ब्रो डडाक काही भितर था How many are you eating?
one for that
Look at her, she's back. Callie is back.
I know best.
दिला दिला
बाप रे
दिला ब्रो
नाही दोरला डाडाक देऊ ना ते कोणा डाडाक गी तुका डाडाक काढे how many you took two oh bro
I took one
I saw don't see enough then you tell I have put on weight how do I deduct whatever what is that reduce my tummy bye from breakfast directly we are jumping to lunch because I came home and I sat to edit the videos because I have to go somewhere. So for lunch, my dad has prepared today and he's prepared chicken curry. Wait, let me show. So this is a chicken kaldadate. No recipe, something of semi gravy type. Along with that we have parota. The parotas have to be fried and I have to quickly eat and dress up. So after kale. It's between ghee roast and puri mirchi, whatever he has prepared. So I have to quickly get ready, and once I get ready, I will tell you guys where and what I am going. No, where and what? For what am I going? I am ready to go, you guys. It's so sad that my rest of them are going for the cricket match, whereas I am going to attend a talk on awareness on cyber security that is organized by district something administration. I guess it's compulsorily we'll have to attend it compulsorily the first years, and we have got attendance, and I think nothing matters more than attendance. So here I am going to attend the talk on Independence Day, where I had plans of just chilling and then enjoying and playing. I'm going to watch and enjoying the cricket match, but unfortunately not happening. This was Cybercrime Awareness Program that was organized by the Mangalore City Police. So we had various talks followed by walkathon, which I think most of them didn't attend because first of all it being a holiday on that day, and second of all we realized that we didn't have attendance. It was just tactics to for us to attend compulsorily. And then I went to church to watch the inter-ward cricket match match, that was the Independence Day Cup. It was a very fun-loving and interesting match to watch. A fun day.
De Silva. Cristian Fernandez is the next batsman in. And a good ball, a fair delivery. A fair delivery. A dot ball. 2 balls to go in this over.
Hey!
And one more fair delivery. It's a 1 day, 1 run from the delivery. The score is moved on to 20 runs.
Come on. Come
Case of keeping by the keeper, quick thinking, stopping the batsman from taking a single. And that's the end of the over. Next we have
And this is how I spent my Independence Day. It was morning, even though morning was a very hush-hush situation. The evening was pretty much chill and calm and fun. So guys, if you did like this vlog, then make sure you like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. We'll meet you guys in another new vlog. Bye bye.